Hello, welcome to Camaro Mods channel. Today we're going to work on the front bumper on the Camaro. First we're going to do what's in the box. So if you order this, you'll know what to expect when you get it in. This is the picture you look at whenever you get on eBay. I got it from Extreme Online Store. And sometimes he's out of stock, sometimes he's not, but anyway, you'll know when he's out of stock because it's $5,695 or something like that. He puts a crazy price on. Anyway, it's about, I believe it's $5.99 or $6.99. I'm not real sure. I got this clear back in October, so I've had it pretty much all winter. But I'm glad this is a winter project because I got the tires back on it, and I backed her out of the garage for a little bit, and I was working on the brakes on the Cadillac, but I sure was wanting to take that thing for a drive. But anyway, it don't have no front bumper on it right now, so we're just going to have to hang tight and get that thing sprayed here in the next couple weeks. But today we're going to do what's in the box, so you kind of know what to expect, and we're going to do a test fit. So we're going to take that thing out of the box, and we're going to see how it all lines up. Get it all ready to paint here in a week or two. So it's going to look good. Anyway, this is what it's going to look like. It's a Zl1 style. This is the kind of grill I have now. That's the big wide open pieces, but it'll have the Zl1 style grill in it. That's what it looks like there. Anyway, this does come with your fog lights. And you got to put in your own running lights in it. And by the way, this don't come with your wiring. So I want to make sure you know that. You have to order your wiring separate. It's around $50, $45, $50. You can also get that on eBay. But anyway, this will be what it looks like when it gets done. But I got this on Extreme Online Store, so if you're interested in getting one of these, like I say, we're going to do a test fit today. It's just going to be we're not going to have the grills in it, the bottom piece. This is all separate, so we're just going to test fit the main front bumper on it. And of course it's painted primer, so we'll see what that's going to look like. Okay, let's go over here to the box and we'll get it opened up, and we'll see what's in it. Before you test fit your bumper, you need to make sure you have this pulled out. 4 push pins hold this in. Get this out of the way. Okay, we got the first test fit done. Actually, it's a second because I had to pull that bottom piece off. There's another piece in the box that takes the place of that. I'll run and get it. About forgot to show you that piece right there. That'll take the place of this right here. And this piece will snap into there. I'm gonna paint this piece black. Okay, we got the front bumper test fitted. Overall, it fits pretty good, but this is your bottom splitter. This is the front grille, and it don't have the Chevy emblem on the front, so we'll have to pull it off the other one. And you got these covers here. Go in there like that. We'll paint all this black. That's your fog lights that goes in there. You got your running lights that goes in that one. So you have to assemble a lot of this with the bumper off the car. We'll go over here and look at the original bumper that came off the car, because we'll have to take a lot of parts off of that in order to put on the new one. Okay, this is the back side of the original bumper. We'll have to take these pieces here out. It's just got a single plug and the wire runs across here. And your side marker lights, we'll have to take all that out. Also need to take this here out. I've already started disassembling some of this front bumper here that I need to take these parts off of it. But these side marker lights, they just pop out. You push on this pin right here, push out, and then they'll pop out. But I was really disappointed on my wiring. I bought the wiring that's supposed to go on the Zl1 bumper. Come to find out, it's the same thing I already have. Two connectors for, we need a wiring harness with 3 connectors on it. So you need one for your running lights, your fog lights, and your side marker lights. There's only two wires here. It's the same thing I have here. I mean, there should be 3 wires on this. There's only 2, I just realized that. So there ain't no use taking this one off. It's just like the one I got. I even look at the pins on the plug here. Exact same thing I have. So it's not going to do any good to swap it out because it's the same thing I have. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. So really, that was a waste of money, and I've had this for a few months. Been too long to take it back now. $50 down the drain. Anyway, that's what usually happens. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do about my fog lights. I may just have to run a separate switch for that, or just tie them into my running lights. We'll figure it out as we go. Okay, I have the bottom piece in. It's not all completely snapped in yet, but kind of give you an idea what it looks like. I imagine once you snap it in, it's going to be kind of hard to get out, so I need to get everything painted first. I know that front grill is going to be very difficult to snap in. I've already tried to put it in, and it's going to be, wow. Anyway, hopefully I won't scratch it up too bad. Get it all laid out with some good towels or something so it won't scratch up. Anyway, it's going to be quite the project, but I think it'll look really cool when it get done. Right here, over there is where you need to bolt it. This is looking up under the car. Make sure you use bolts and not use any of them push pins, because I'm not sure that would even hold it. I did have to hold that a little bit bigger, so if you want to use just a little bit bigger bolt. Okay, we got the bumper on. We got it bolted on the bottom. We got it bolted in the two top holes. Your 10mm holes. So we've got all that put together, so I think we're now ready to pull this thing off of here and get it ready for paint. It's all fitting together pretty good, so get a good coat of paint on it and do the final assembly and get it done.